To get yourself used to the feeling with each different speed when shooting. Here is a 1 speed. You can use this for a lag speed drill and use the diamonds as guidelines. Then up at 2 diamond intervals. Here is a 2 speed. Two more diamonds for our 3 speed stroke drill. From there we'll move on to our 4 speed. Speed stroke drill. You want to just bring it back down to the rail and not come back past the diamond markers. You must go down past and then not come back past again. Used to the feeling of the speeds of the strokes and also help you with shooting straight. You will get immediate feedback with anything that is not hit straight. All shot drills that will greatly improve your game. Being able to hit center ball is crucial in the process of playing pool, as everything spawns from center ball action on the cue ball. Center ball actions from the cue ball will help you learn the absolute natural lines that come into play. This will help you later on when beginning to use English on the cue ball, as you can use the natural center ball actions as a guideline to follow when planning your next shot, with the diamonds for references, as close to the pocket and object ball as you feel comfortable with, and just move the object ball further from the pocket and the cue ball further from the object ball as you move along. You will know you're hitting center ball because you will have a stop shot. If it's a relatively straight angle, the cue ball should stop dead in its tracks, being that it is sliding by the time it hits the object ball, and there is no forward motion or any other English to make the cue ball run away. Ball, if there's too much of an angle in play for the shot, the ball will not stay put, but it should hold up in the general location of the contact with the object ball. Planning out your shot, you want to try to visualize the path and the point of impact that the cue ball is going to hit on the object ball. You can use a visual of the cue ball. It's known as using a ghost ball to set up your point of impact. Just try to picture the point of the cue ball is not going to be the center of the cue ball that hits the object ball. So you need to pay attention to how much of the cue ball is going to be contacting how much of the object ball. Really start to get used to using angles with your shots. Shooting center ball with an angle shot, when coming off the rail, the center ball sliding action on the cue ball should bring the cue ball straight back off the rail. If there's any forward motion or backwards motion, you know the cue ball had either draw or follow left on it and was not completely sliding when it initially hit the object ball. Great drill, and will get you used to shooting center ball, as you will have immediate feedback and let you know if you're shooting high, low, left, or right, or anything other than center ball. Your stroke speeds will come into play. It's going to help you learn how to get the cue ball where you want on the table. It's usually better to try and end up somewhere in the center of the table. You don't want to end up over on the rail or behind other balls. ball into a pocket, you want to find the object ball that you're planning to make in the pocket and work backwards from there. You find the ball guideline that you're going to be combining into the ball you're playing, and you want to pick your spot with the combination ball shooting through your object ball that you plan to make in the pocket. So your combination ball is going to be used to shoot through the ball you're playing into the pocket and get yourself ready for the next ball. A good drill you can use is to set up the balls at a diamond and a half distance away from your side of the table and a diamond away from the side pocket. Then run them towards each second diamond from each side of the adjacent side pocket from where you are standing. Then you can begin with your cue ball a diamond length on the table from you and begin shooting your first ball and move the cue ball a half diamond at a time for each shot, keeping it a diamond distance from you. This will really give you a full range of angles and positions that you'll need to get used to shooting when playing into the side pocket. want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you found the information to be a wealth of knowledge that you can apply to your own pool game. Practice makes perfect though. You have to put your time in on the pool table. One good way to get better is to play with people who you feel may be better than you at this time. Share this video with your friends, family, and the world. And the next time you get up to play, give it your best shot. Your opponent will be. I'm Mark Rondo at IQ Pool School. You can reach me here and let me know what you think of this video and any other ideas you'd like me to put out in the future. Thank you for stopping by, and let's play pool.